Everybody, today we're going to be doing a vlog of my sister and my room. Let's start. So if we start to get in our room, we have our shelves. Here is my flowers. They're fake though, don't worry. Here is my bag. I leave stuff in here. Yeah, as you can see, I left some bows, some things. Then we have our thing we get ready. Then we have here our collection of Tic Tacs. I'm gonna get more Tic Tacs and leave the collection all the way around. I have some earrings and some cats my dad got me for Vietnam. Here is a fake mirror. I just keep it for decoration, and here is a wallet. I don't leave anything in there, to be honest. Here is a random cup. There's nothing in there. And then a calculator. And I don't think that works. Here we have my mirror. And as you saw in the first clip, there is another mirror there, but we'll get to it. We have our books. We have here my random stuff I don't like to keep. Here are my supplies. And here are my books. Here are my cables. Just fix that. My cables and stuff for electronics. And yeah, we're done with our shelves. Down here, we have my things for next year of 7th grade. Then here we have stuff of my whole family's. Like we keep here that stuff we don't need. Then we have my closets. Yeah, they're random. Then another random couch, my laptop, my drawings. I posted most of the drawings here. I posted them on YouTube. Then my decoration for my room. I'm gonna make more decorations, don't worry guys. Then we have my my other decorations. We have my Stanley, my book I was reading, my cup, my head cable. Then we have my bed. Sorry guys, my bed. Then we have the couch I made. And here's Hello Kitty. Yeah. Then we have all my drawings. So we start with this one. This one is new. I never posted this one. But yeah, I got this for a decoration. Here we have my drawing that I posted. Here are this is my clock. Here are my certificates, my height. I didn't write that right, so don't get me in the comments. And this is me. Yeah, you can't see me because I can't show a face reveal. If you didn't know, you probably saw the face reveal that I made, but yeah, I deleted it because I found out I can't do face reveals. But yeah, then let's go to my sister's room. We get in my sister's room. We have here. We get in. Here is a Pokemon trading card game. This is like her poster. We have some stickers. Then we have the mirror. Yeah. We get in here. She's obsessed with Saniro. Not gonna lie. We have pumper and shirts, yeah. Then here we have her stuff, her bracelets. If you mind, go subscribe to Bracelets for Life. You would love that. She does really hard, so guys, please go subscribe to her. And by the way, also subscribe to my cousins too, because they try hard too. Then we have her crafts, her stuff, yeah, clothes. Then we have And here her other, we have her other clothes. She's obsessed with Saniro, as you can see. Yeah. Then she has her bags, her stuff like that, tote bags. Another thing, she's also obsessed with pandas. Pandas. This is her schedule. Saniro again. My painting that I gave to her. It's not really a good painting, that's why I gave it to her. She actually did some hearts here, I guess. Then we have stickers. Then we have a dart pin. But except for darts, we have these. We throw them here. Like this. But I guess they're not sticking for some reason. Yeah, we just keep them like that. We play sometime. Then we have what she made. I don't really like it, to be honest. Then we have her trophy that she won. I can't show her face though. Then we have her clips, money, her flowers, books. Then we get in here. We have her other personal stuff. She mostly has fidgets and toys. You see, she has like slime, stuff like that. She's still a kid. I don't blame her. Then we have her dolls. Her bed that she made. I copied her, don't mind. Her real bed. This is 1 panda, 2 panda, 3 panda. Yeah, she's literally obsessed with pandas. Then let me fix that for her because she never fixes it. Like this. Yeah, and then we're done, guys. Bye. Love you.